Hello students, welcome to today's mathematics class. Today we are going to start with new chapter, chapter number 10, linear equations and inequations. In this chapter, the first thing that we need to understand is algebraic expression. What is an algebraic expression? An expression in which we use constants and variables. Constants and variables. For example, if I say 5 added to a number x, it means our algebraic expression is x plus 5. Alright? So here x is a variable and 5 is a constant. Alright. Next is statement of equality. Statement of equality means that algebraic expression in which equal to sign is used. This is an example. Twice a number x means 2x is equal to 10. Twice a number x is equal to 10. It will be written as 2x is equal to 10. So this is a statement of equality. Next is equation. What is an equation? Equation is a statement of equality in which we use variables. We may use one variable or we may use more also. This is an example of one variable. Here, if I say 5 subtracted from thrice a number, it will be written as 3x minus 5. 5 subtracted from thrice a number is equal to 18. So our equation becomes 3x minus 5 is equal to 18. So this is an equation with one variable, that is x, and the left part of this equation, that is 3x minus 5, this is the left hand side of the equation, and this 18 is the right hand side of the equation. It will be written as RHS. We take one more example. If I write 2m minus 3 is equal to 5n plus 5. Is this an equation? Yes, this is also an equation, but this is with two variables, m and n. And this part is, left part of equal to sign is LHS and right part of equal to sign is RHS. I hope you have understood what is an equation. Next is linear equation. What is a linear equation? An equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1, that is known as linear equation. For example, if I say 3m minus 6 is equal to 15, this is a linear equation. Why linear? Because the variable m has power 1 only. Next example we may take as, if we say 5 added to twice a number x means 2x plus 5 is equal to 12. This is also a linear equation. Why this is linear? Because the variable x has power 1 only. So linear equation means the equation in which the power of the variable is 1, that is known as linear equation. Next is solution of an equation. Solution of an equation means that value which makes the statement a true statement, that is known as solution of an equation. True statement means the value by putting which our left hand side becomes equal to right hand side. That is the solution of an equation. Let us take an example for this. 3x plus 6 is equal to 15. Here our left hand side is 3x plus 6 and right hand side is 15. Now I want to find the value of x here. Alright, so if we try x is equal to 3 in left hand side, so left hand side is 3x plus 6. Here I will put x is equal to 3 in left hand side, so I get here 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. 15 is already our right hand side. It means here we got our right hand side. So we can see here our left hand side has become equal to right hand side. It means x is equal to 3 is the solution of equation. Alright, in your exercise, second question is like that only. There you will be given the value for x and you will show by putting that value in the given equation that is the solution or not. If it left hand side comes equal to right hand side, then that value is the solution, otherwise that is not the solution. Next we have solving an equation. There are two methods given to solve the equation. First is trial and error method and second is systematic method. So today we will discuss trial and error method. For trial and error method, we will take an example to understand. Let us take an example. 7y minus 4 is equal to 24. So in this method, what we have to do, we have to try different values for the variable. Here variable is y. It means we will put different values of y in the equation and check that left hand side comes equal to right hand side. Alright, so first of all let us put y is equal to 1. When we put y is equal to 1 in left hand side, that is 7y minus 4, we get here 7 into 1 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Now 3 is not equal to 24. 24 is our right hand side. Alright, so we will try for next value. Let us try for y is equal to 2. When we will put y is equal to 2 in this 7 y minus 4, we get here 14. 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. That is also not equal to right hand side. 24. Then we will put y is equal to 3. So we get here 21 minus 4. It is equal to 17. That is not equal to 24. Then we will try for next value. Y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 when we put 7 to 4 minus 4. That is 28 minus 4. That is equal to 24. 24 is equal to our right hand side. So we can say that y is equal to 4 is the value for which our left hand side comes equal to right hand side. Alright, so we will say that y is equal to 4 is the solution. So you can see here what we are doing. We are trying different values for y here so that we get left hand side equal to right hand side. So the value for which it comes, we will say that that value is the solution. Alright. So your question number 3 in your exercise is with trial and error method. So do parts of that question 3. Alright. Second method, systematic method, we will discuss in next video. Now you are able to do from question number 1 to question number 4. Alright. Do it. Thank you, children.